Michael Jackson.
Small po. Kaya ba kayo?
Black po. Better yung...
Hindi na sure ako dyan.
O, sabi ni Kuya, perfect daw yun.
Our golf journey begins.
Okay guys, this is my first day. Let's go.
The price at which the last order in the market was carried out at.
What should we never forget?
Your fucking assignment, bitch.
Hindi makalagay, kayo sumagot kay Clipper na. So kung ano yung kumpanya hindi nalagyan.
This is the situation right now. We've already... Okay, we're trying to figure out... This is our situation part 2. We still don't have like storage for our stuff. It is still October 22, 9:22 p.m. Hindi pa kami nagdi-dinner and
Hindi na kayo mag-dinner kasi patay na kami.
anyways, grabe yung breakout ko ngayon. As you guys can see,
Pagod na. Salamat ako po din. Nakingat ako. Kasi big ako po pala yung oras ako na tayo. Since 5 p.m.
it's 9:51 and tinatry ko pang ipa-relocate yung Wi-Fi from my old condo to here. And hopefully, malakas siya here. You have to take it seriously because meron kaming mock presentation by the end of the session, which is, I don't know, probably like 3 months from now. Maybe I'll just see you guys tomorrow. Good night. I don't usually make up my bed. This is actually the first time. But it's a good habit to start making up your bed. So. So for tonight's dinner, we are gonna be eating salmon, corn, and corned beef. The rice is actually from Wonder Health kasi we are trying to be mga health gurus na. Bon appetit!
Bon appetit. Yun. Actually, no difference at all. Sarap ng hamon doon.
What time is it?
5.
It's 5 p.m. and she just woke up. We did our nails today for our Halloween shoot tomorrow. We both got French tip,
Yeah.
but hers is red. Mine is plain. Okay guys, we're going out. Anyways, you have to go. Bye-bye. Dapat small celebration lang siya for my first ever upload for YouTube. Pero medyo napadami. Do you need my help? It's 5:03 a.m. October 26. Kakauwi lang namin. We have to sober up for tomorrow kasi we have a shoot. Patay ako kay Marcos.
So bad, bro.
Sayang lang din yung kinain mo.
Slowly lang.
Yeah, just eat slowly. And drink water. Do you want water? Do you want water?
Wait lang, ba't ako nalasing?
Ewan ko, ang dami mong ininom kasi sabi ko tama na mag-order. I told you not to order anymore. You just need soup.
Babe,
You just need.
I got my nails came out.
Hey guys, good morning. It's 3:12 p.m. and we're getting ready for a shoot.
Photo bomb.
Dad.
Where's the other Marcos?
Late.
Oh, he's coming as well.
Yeah, he is.
What about Liana?
Alana's done now. Thank you for coming here and supporting me.
No problems. We wouldn't miss it for the world.
Wow. That'd be...
I'm the cameraman. I'm not very good at it, but I'll try my best.
Guys, it looks so different.
Hi,
Thanks to
Arvin.
Miss Emma. Okay, guys, pag nagka-jowa ako, it's because of her.
Ano bang check mo ni Panjel?
Tekal ka.
Okay.
And then, ito naman si Queen of Supportive parents came by.
The headless. The one who took the headless.
Kaya pa pala yung backdrop, guys.
But a very BTS movie. So like, press the right.
What do banks pay you normally when you put a fixed rate? They pay you 2%. Alright? So, 1% of 20,000 is how much? Yes. So, it's only 200, yeah, but property prices in the long term will always appreciate.
Your profit is 47,172.
No. Oh, yeah, it's correct, yeah. 172.
Yes.
Okay. Right, okay, good.
Out! Hey guys, it's October 30, 5:13 a.m. Kakauwi lang namin. I'm so tired. And meron pa kaming flight. We have a very early flight the next day, so hindi pa kami nakakapag-pack pareho.
Wala pa kami pakialam. Like, she's gonna go
Yeah.
to Manila, but I'm gonna be coming from Davao, so like, she's
Okay.
going out.
So the thing is, it's October 31. Oh, is it October 31, babe? 30.
Yes, 30 pa lang today.
Yeah, I hope I do wake up earlier tomorrow kasi meron kaming flight. Oh, God. You know what? My feet is so dirty. I don't know why it's so dirty. By the time I wake up tomorrow, siguro mga around 2 p.m. na yun. I have to get ready for Davao. I will be in Davao from October 31st until November 5. And then I will be in Siargao from November 6 to November 15. So, talagang walang rest sa akin. I have to keep myself organized. So, yun. Good afternoon, everybody. It's October 30, 2:35 p.m. Grabe yung night out namin. It was a night to remember. Dami ko pa actually kailangan gawin. We are both hungover from last night. So, let's go! Madaling araw naman, pero ano yun? So surprised that you're still there. Oh my God. I'm done packing. She's done packing. We're just waiting for Aliana kasi makikisabay lang kami sa kanya going to Laguna.
We're gonna be gone in Manila for 2 weeks. So, adios, mi casa. Well, adios, Manila. And, britaan na lang kayo ni Dev if we're gonna make it out alive, okay?
Yes,
Stay tuned.
sir. Adios!
Adios.
And see you on the other side.
Grabe yung traffic.
2 hours.
Ako naman si driver. Kasi kanina pa siya nag-
Flat na siya. Bali, wala ang workout ko.
Ano, legit mamamatay na talaga. Hindi ko na
Yung likod talaga punong-puno.
Ito pa, guys.
Lungkot, pati ito.
Kalat.
Alam mo, maglalayas sila.
Nag-prep pa ako dito.
Time check, ano oras na? Oh, they're very busy. Thank you for driving and for making us attend. Guess what? I freaking left my phone
I know,
in
right?
Aliana's car.
Like, I think she's fucking aging at this age right now.
And it's too early for me to age. Alam mo, kaka-vlog ko to. Kaka-vlog ko to. Vlog ako ng vlog, nakalimutan ko na pala yung phone ko. Guys, we're on the way to pick it up. Thank you, Rachel, for driving.
Bay, papahinga na sana kami, bay. Ano naman, Joey?
It's October 31st, 3:50 a.m. On the way na kami sa airport. Sobrang aga. Happy Halloween, you guys! October 31 na, and sadly, hindi kami makakapag-party sa Davao. You will see a lot of Rachel and Tiff in this round. Kasi, sino na ba? Kasama ko siya, the roommate ko. Siya.
Disclaimer, bareface kami ngayon.
Ay,
Do not.
judge.
Do not. Do not.
Maglaro ba?
Party. What do you say? Maayong.
Ayong aga.
Maayong.
What? So wait, ulit ako rin ngayon? Hindi ko alam.
3 hours.
Actually, I don't know about this. Wait, Kutakoyong is where? It's in Cotabato?
It's
I don't know what's wrong. I feel like it's around 11:50. This is my fit check, by the way. I'm just wearing a bodysuit, trousers, and shoes. As you can see, kakagising lang namin. Wala na naman kaming ayos. We were actually supposed to shower, to put makeup on, kasi lang we're so tired talaga. As in, bawing-bawi yung sleep namin. And oh my God, like grabe yung gising ko a while ago.
She had a wild dream.
Wild dream talaga.
Good morning.
It's November 1, 7 a.m. guys. I repeat, 7 a.m. Oh my God, ang aga ko nagising. Around what time did we sleep last night? 10:30, no? Usually kasi our sleeping time is around mga 2. But yeah, good morning everyone, and I'll just see you later.
Wow! We're done.
hello.
Alam mo kung ano i-click mo to siya yan? Ano? Yung gitna. Gitna na. Ay, yung gitna.
Oh.
Tama ba yung ginagawa mo?
Oh.
Wearing 25th Gallery. Shout out to Aliana, Marcos, and Nadia. Hi! Sexy naman! Hi! So, meron pang isang zipline pero pabalik. It's the same, babe. It's the same way. Like where we came from, pabalik lang tayo.
Take note, we just woke up. And our first activity is zipline.
Wow. Say hi daw.
Wow! Ingat!
Sige, magbibihis ako.
Siya sa isang madilim na sulong. Ayan, God is good. Ciao, amigas!
understood.
Very province life talaga.
Buhay probinsya. Ayun, yung magic stick. Sa ilay mo na yung isa. Or doon na. Ako mo na yan, bro.
Bakit na score nyo?
81.60.
No, actually, guys, it's our first time waking up this late now. It's our latest na for the past, 4 or 5 days?
Yeah,
We're always
we've been-
early birds.
yeah.
How come where we're going now?
We're on the way to the Changi. It's a hike.
Yeah. Buhay princess kami dito eh. Ginigising na kami para kumain.
It's 4:03 and we're already on the way to the chicken fight. So basically the mechanics is there will be 6 players, 3 teams, and 3 chickens. Each chicken will have a prize. Alang cute nila.
What are my shades?
Hey guys, we are at Alphonsus Ridge here in Kitapawan.
And it's just 9 a.m.
Oh, the view is so nice.
Even better. Guys, go down. It's even better here.
There's a horse. Hi.
Hello.
Oh shit.
Good morning. You look so cute.
I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
Ay, oh no. Okay, let's shower. We're about to leave guys because we're late. We're running late for my brother's party. I cannot. Like, the birthday boy is late. Yeah, but his own again. Who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Last lang mo kaya. Hindi mo kaya. Hindi mo kaya. Who's next? Okay, I don't know who's next. Who's next? Okay, I don't know who's next. The game is over.
It is November 5, 5 a.m. I just got home. Oh my god, guys. I am so freaking tired. It's really gonna be a very, very tiring week for me. Okay lang yan. Fighting. I'm gonna be leaving here in a few hours. Flight is tonight. Oh my god. So this is everything that I got for this trip, and I still need to sort them out.